Here's the outer membrane, and here's the inner membrane. That space there is the intermembrane space, and in here is the matrix. I want to remind you about the very important structural feature of the inner mitochondrial membrane. That's a very important thing to know. This inner mitochondrial membrane is highly impermeable. Okay? So, once something is produced here, it won't be able to come back in. That's what it means. And that molecule could be small or large. Or if something is coming from even outside, it cannot cross the inner mitochondrial membrane unless there is a specific mechanism for it to be transported. So this is the first important thing to think about. Second important thing is that electron transport chain and oxidative phosphorylation occur entirely in the inner mitochondrial membrane. So all the protein components, the prosthetic groups, the everything you need, the enzymes, are all part of the inner mitochondrial membrane. So these are very important foundations that you need to kind of establish about the ETC. The last and most important thing to remember is where are these NADHs and FADH2s produced? Right here in the matrix. That's where PDH is, and that's where TCA cycle are. Enzymes are. So that means these guys are going to be oxidized by the ETC. So they have direct access to the ETC components. Okay? So part of that, I want you to think of the electron transport chain as a process that uses two important substrates. Those substrates are NADH and FADH2. Okay? It's going to extract electrons from those substrates and eventually donate those electrons to oxygen.